Good morning to all. Today, myself Priyanka Nikam, and I am from Jayawantrao Sawant Polytechnic, Hadapsar. Today we are going to perform the experiments of subject digital techniques. So our first experiment is the experiment of the title of the experiment is test the functionality of logic gates. So here we are using the IC. First IC is 7404, second IC is 7408, third IC is 7432, and fourth IC is 7486. Now first we are going to perform the NOT gate. For NOT gate we are using the IC 7404. This is the symbol of NOT gate. Here NOT gate is basically used for inversion purpose. When we are giving the 0 input, then output is coming 1. That is the complemented output. Or we are giving if we are giving the 1 input, then output is coming 0. So here is the truth table of this NOT gate. When we are giving 0 input, we are getting output is 1. When we are giving 1 input, we are getting output is 0. This is the internal structure of IC 7404. This is the 14 pin IC 1 to 14. 14 pins are present in this IC. So pin number 7 is ground. Pin number 7 we are connected as a ground, and pin number 14 is connected as a VCC, that is a supply voltage. Now this IC has notch. When we are connected this IC in a kit, we have to consider this notch in upward direction, so we can perform this practical correctly. Now in this internal structure of IC, we are using 6 NOT gates. So here 1 is for input and second is for output. Again simultaneously for all ICs, like 3 is for input and 4 is for output. Now next gate is AND gate. AND gate IC is IC 7408. This is the symbol of AND gate. Here are 2 inputs. Input is A and B, and output is only one, that is Y. In AND gate, output is 0 when and only when one single input is low, that is 0. Low means 0 input and high means 1 input. In AND gate, we are getting 0 only when our single output is 0. We are getting 1 only when both inputs are high, that is 1. We are getting high when both inputs are 1. This is the internal structure of IC 7408. Here we can see again this is the 14 pin IC. Pin number 7 is ground and 14 pin is connected to VCC. Here 1 and 2 are input and third pin is connected to the output. Again same for second gate, 4 and 5 for input and 6 is connected to output. Okay, so this is the IC 740. Now our next gate is OR gate. Here for OR gate we are using IC number 7432. This is the symbol of OR gate. OR gate is basically used for logical addition purpose. So now in this, when one of the input is high, then output is we are getting output as high. That is, one of the input is 1, we are getting output 1. This is the internal structure of IC 7432. In this we are using the 4 OR gates. Here input is pin number input we are given pin number 1 and 2 is input and pin number 3 is output. So this is the similar structure as an AND gate. Now next gate we are going to perform next gate is XOR gate. The IC 7486 is used for XOR gate. This is the basic symbol of XOR gate. In this, when the 2 inputs are similar, then we are getting output is low. When the 2 inputs are different, then we are getting output is high. This is the internal structure of IC 7486, that is XOR gate. In this, pin number 1 and 2 is input and pin number 3 is output. Similarly, pin number 4 and 5 is input and 6 is for output. Now we are going to see this practical on digital trainer kit. Now we will see the actual implementation of our ICs. This is the digital trainer kit we are used for verification purpose. These are the input ports, these are the output ports, and these are the 4 IC base we are used for IC mounting. Before connecting the IC, we should check the power supply should be off. Now our first gate, NOT gate. For NOT gate, we are using the 7404 IC. We are mounting IC on the first slot of this port. Now, as we discussed earlier, we are going to make the connection. Now, first, this IC is 14-pin IC, but we can see here the 20 ports are here. But we are using only 14 pins. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And pin number 8 is in front of 7. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So first, our first connection is pin number 7 is connected to the ground. Then next, pin number 14 is connected to the 5-volt supply. Then next, pin number 1 is connected to input port. You can connect anywhere in the input port. Then pin number 2 is connected to the output port. Now our connection is done. Now we can switch on our power supply. So here you can see, as per the truth table, when we are giving input is 0, we are getting here LED is in off condition means it is a 0, and LED is in glowing condition means it is a 1. So when we are giving the 0 input, we are getting output is 1. And when we are giving input is 1, when we are giving input is 1, then output is becoming 0. So this is our, not gate. Now our next gate is AND gate. For AND gate, we are using IC number 7408. As previously we are discussed, we are mounting IC in a similar manner. Now again, in this experiment, pin number 7 is connected to the ground. Pin number 20 is connected to the supply voltage. Pin number 1 is connected to the input. Again, pin number 2 is connected to the input. And pin number 3 is connected to the output. So as we have discussed earlier, we can verify this truth table of AND gate. Now switch on the power supply. Now here we are giving input 0, 0. When we are giving the input 0, 0, the output is also 0. Next, we are giving input 0, 1. Then also output is coming 0 only. Next, we are giving input 1 and 0. Then also output is 0. In AND gate, we are giving input 1, 1, then and then only output is coming 1. So this is the total verification of AND gate, that is IC 7408. Now next we are going to implement the OR gate, that is IC 7432. Again similarly we are mounting the IC 7432 in a similar manner. Then pin number 7 is ground. Pin number 14 is connected to the VCC. Pin number 1 is first input. Pin number 2 is second input. And pin number 3 is connected to the output. Now we switch on the power supply. Now we can verify this truth table. So first input we are giving 0, 0, then output is 0. Next input is 0, 1, then output is coming 1. Next input is 1, 0, then output is coming 0. And the last, when we are giving input 1 and 1, then also output is 1. So this is the verification of OR gate, that is IC 7432. So now next and the last gate of this experiment, that is the XOR gate. For XOR gate we are using IC 7486. Again similarly we mount the IC. Now here pin number 7 is connected to the ground. Pin number 14 is connected to the VCC, that is supply voltage. Pin number 1 is connected to the first input. Pin number 2 is connected to the second input. And pin number 3 is connected to the output. So our connection is done. Now we can verify this truth table. Now switch on the power supply. Again, when we are giving the 0, 0 input, that is similar input, we are getting output is 0. Next input is 0, 1, then output is coming 1. Next input is 1, 0, then output is 1. Again, last input we are giving 1, 1, then output is 0. So here we have verified the IC 7486, that is XOR gate. Now we have discussed and implement all the gates by using this digital trainer kit, and we have completed our first practical, that is test the functionality of logic gates. Thank you.